This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have an older Maytag stove where the back right burner won't light. It clicks, but you don't get any lighting, and you can smell a little bit of gas, and you can see a strong click from the igniter. See a strong spark, and all the other ones are lighting really well, but that back right one won't light. So we're going to take a look at what's causing it, and to do this is pretty easy on this model. We're going to remove these little grates from the top, and we're going to grab the front of it and just lift up, and the panel comes right off. Sometimes there are a couple of nuts on the back here that you have to spin off. On this one it looks like they've already been taken off, so I'm just going to pull the front panel off to get it out of the way, and I'm going to see what's wrong with that back right burner. Sometimes you just get like a couple of the orifices, the holes get clogged. So I got a sharp tool here. I don't want to enlarge these aluminum holes, but I want to just make sure there's nothing caught in them. There's about four or five of them in a vertical row, and they shoot gas through this little tube, and it connects with a spark, and that lets that igniter start that burner. But it could be that these little tubes were just caked over, so I cleared them out and I'm trying it again, but I don't get a response. Still get the click, but no lighting. Usually that'll do the trick. So these are just some steps you can take. If you look at the middle area there's a nice spark, but still we're not getting any ignition on the burner. So I'm going to use this metal tool to just reach into that tube and make sure there's nothing right in the front there that's clogging it. It looks pretty good. Usually poking in the holes right on the burner that are just in front of that tube does the trick. So this little sleeve here can control the air-fuel mixture, and I'm just going to grab it and I'm going to move it toward the back of the stove so that a little less air comes in and more fuel to reach that back burner. And usually you don't want to adjust these, but if you're not getting any luck, you can try that. This electrical cleaner may help too. I'm going to spray it in that area. When I sprayed it in the tube, though, I noticed a little piece of popcorn came out near the front, and that was actually what was stopping the gas flow. So this was an interesting one. I removed that and it worked fine. So hopefully this will help you to get yours going too. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.